welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a reverse canvas with my Cricut. I've already gotten the frame pulled off of the canvas material, and I'm going to be cutting the vinyl to stick it on. I am just using regular vinyl, not HTV, and I will show you what I'm making. So here is what I'm making. Oh, sorry about those lines. But I'm going to be cutting this. It's from my grandparents. First, I'm going to be using some gray or white, I believe. And then I'm going to be using black for the other. My first mat, I'm using a really old expression mat, I believe it's called. And I'm going to be cutting the D on some white. So I'm going to lay that down. And then I'm going to get my scraper. To make sure it stays down, I just cleaned my mat with some Clorox wipes. It's pretty good. The sizing is correct. So I'm going to put my first mat in and have it cut. So I'm going to start it, continue, and I am using the Explorer Air 2. And let's put it on Vinyl Plus, because that's what I'm using. I'm using the thicker vinyl. I like that better. And now I'll pull my Cricut out and start cutting it. Here is my Cricut. Ooh, I decorated my Cricut. And we're going to start with this one. I'll show you when it comes out. That was probably the quickest cut I've ever done. So now, here it is. And now I'm going to weed it with my little, I like to call it the picker tool, but I think it's called a weeder. So I'm going to do that. I like to stick them right to my pants. Then I'm going to peel this one. Finish weeding this. Here is the D. Now I'm going to do the black for the other parts. And I think I'm just going to use the same mat. I do have a blue light grip mat. It's just I don't like that one because I cut way too far on some of them. Oopsie. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to put this down. I'll show you. Now I put the scraper away. Some people go like this. I like to go like this. That's just how I like to do it. And then make sure with my nails that it's done. You can see all the imprints from where I cut before. And now I'm going to load that in. And it's already loaded onto all the settings that I need, and we're gonna press go, and you guys get to watch it this time. I think it's very satisfying to watch it. So it's cutting the last name right now, which that is Dietz. It is so satisfying. Here, I'll give you a better view. Okay, and I will show you when I'm done. Oh yeah, and by the way, it got chopped off earlier because my mom started calling me. Sorry. I just noticed that this is going to be really hard to weed. Okay, it's now done. I unloaded it. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting one to weed because there are so many little teeny details. So, I'm going to work on that. Okay, I finished weeding it, and now what I'm going to do is always cover your mats. I throw my plastic on the floor. Always keep the plastic, cover your mats, because they'll get really nasty. The next thing I'm going to do is unload Oh, excuse me. I'm going to staple this back on, but backwards. That's why it's called a reverse canvas. So it'll be like this instead of with this over top. And then I'm going to trim the edges. I'm going to just staple it back on. I did Mod Podge it because it's kind of rough. Now it's smooth. And there were some like bumps and stuff, and I filled it in with Mod Podge. And I'm going to staple it back on. And then I'm going to use transfer tape. I don't use transfer tape. I use Scotch tape, and it works perfect. It's better than any transfer tape that I've ever used. I got like a sample of some, and it was okay. I just use Scotch tape, and it works perfect. So I'm going to staple this back on, and then check with you back. And trim it. Okay, I got the stapler. I'm not using a staple gun, I'm using a regular one. It should work, hopefully. Yeah, I have it right. Okay, line it up. I'm just going to put one on this side. Oh, yeah, that looks good. And then I'm going to make sure I pull it tight. Then put it on this side. And then one at the top, make sure you pull it tight. And I'm going to do the other ones off camera so you guys don't get bored. I just finished stapling it. I think I did pretty good. I've never done that before. This is my first time doing a reverse canvas. I think that's what it's called. Now I'm going to trim this. This I'm not going to be good at, so I'll show you when I'm done. I finished it. Okay, now I'm going to use these. Actually, oh my gosh. White on white? What was I thinking? I don't know what to do now. I think I just ruined this whole project. Do I have gray? Hopefully I have gray. I remembered I had some tan contact paper, and I'm going to use that. So hopefully this works. Anyone need a D? Leave a comment down below. You can have it. No, I might put it, or yeah, I'll put it on the back side just so, I don't know, a little extra thing if they want to flip it around. Then there's the staples. Whatever. I'll figure it out. Tried to stick the extra D to the back. That didn't work because it's not permanent. Now I have this contact paper with this. Did it cut it? Hold on. Okay, it's done. I'm going to stick it on. Hopefully this doesn't clash too bad. I think it will. You know what? It's the thought that counts. When I'm doubting it, thought that counts. That's what it is. Oh, okay. That sticks pretty well. Probably because it's permanent contact paper. I might Mod Podge it too. Not looking too bad. Okay, now I'm going to do these bottom ones. All I do for this is I get tape. I put it on, make sure to not get the other image. I push it down. Oh, I got all of it. Only 2 strips. Now you peel it off. Maybe. Come on. Get the tea. Grab the tea. Grab the tea. Come on. You can do it. Okay, it's not grabbing it. Okay. Come on! Beautiful! Okay, there we go. Stuck it down. Peel up the tape. Hopefully that doesn't stick to. Hopefully this tape does not stick to the contact paper. Stay down. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I have everything placed. I finished it. I think it looks really nice, actually. I'm going to give this to her. I think she's gonna like it. I'm gonna write like my name and 2020 on the back. Hope you liked today's video. It wasn't the greatest, kind of weird. If you want more Cricut videos, I'm most likely gonna make more. But if you like more, please leave a like and give me a comment. Bye, everyone.